many years ago. I was in high school. I got on the phone with my biggest high school crush. And then suddenly she says, hey, you wanna go on a three-way call with, I forget the other name of the person. I'm like, sure. And the entire time na may three-way conversation na nangyayari sa phone, I was silent the entire time. Ang nag-uusap lang yung dalawang magkaibigan. I didn't know what to say. The worst part of it is that I realized how awkward I was being on the phone with my high school crush and her friend. Na-realize ko, teka lang, tagal ko na hindi nagsasalita. Should I talk? If I talk now, it's gonna be too late. I should have started talking a while ago. Oh, no. I put the phone down and I pretended like something happened. Nagkunwari lang ako na naputol yung line or may nangyari. I couldn't talk back anymore. Chinat ako eh. Tinanong, is everything okay? Did something happen? I had to make up this elaborate lie para lang mapaniwala sila that I'm not some kind of who didn't know how to utter a word on the phone. Ugh, cringe. And they knew, right? Carlos, he's such a freak. So weird. Hanggang ngayon, naiisip ko pa rin.